y'all, it's Leah with Leah Lou's Creations, and welcome to another little flip through of my latest project. So I found this really fun tutorial for a flippy flappy book, and I'll link that below. And I've been wanting to try one of these for a long time, and so I finally, my mom and I decided to try it on Zoom this morning, and so I put this one together. I used papers from the Photo Play Gypsy Rose kit, which I love. It's got some really pretty kind of pinks, mauve, turquoise kind of colors, and with butterflies and figs, which I love. And so I'm from the South originally, so we always have figs. Love figs. So yeah, just a lot of fun. So it is a little mini book, and then I just have it bound with a piece of lace that I glued to the back to keep that. So let's look and see what is inside. So you open it up, and then this is going to flip down. So I just put some lace here, some of the stickers. The kit does come with a sticker sheet in it, which I love. So have a little belly band here. These are cute little figs. Some stripes on the back, so you could add something to that. You could put a picture on it, whatever you would like. And then this flips over. And then we have this little tuck spot here with a journaling card with, I love this old school writing paper. I found that on a Goodwill find not too long ago, so I love incorporating that. And then you go this way. This one is going to flip up, so we just have some journaling space here. This one flips, we have another little tuck spot there. And then this one is also going to flip up. And this one, it originally flipped down, but I went ahead and just glued it on both sides to make it a pocket. And so then I just put some more of that paper folded up inside of there, so give you some more journaling space there. I'll tuck that back in afterwards. And then the last page, this one flips, and I turn this one just into a pocket. So again, this one originally would have flipped over, but I just put a little pocket there. And then this one flipped down, so I glued that here on two sides to just make a little piece here. So we just have some more journaling space there. And then this is one of the pieces when you start with a 12 by 12 piece of paper, and then it's just lots of scoring and cutting and folding. And so you cut off one of the little rectangles and turn that into a little tuck spot there. So I did that, more little journaling there. So that is it. So just a fun, quick little project. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.